before we open up this, let me show you what I have so far. So I have the Global Beauty Care Hydration Clay Mask. Not sponsored. None of these brands are sponsored. This one I got from Trader Joe's, which I'm still gonna try. I've been really going into Trader Joe's beauty collection lately. These were gifted to me, I believe, last year, so I don't know where I got them. I want to say Dollar Tree, because I have 4 of these left. The eye patches. This one I got just recently from Karim in my swap box. So I'm very excited for that one. This one was, I believe, also part of the swap box that she and I did. This one, I believe I got myself from Dollar Tree. I love these, and I've used these multiple times. This one's a new one. I haven't tried it yet, but I would love to try it. I've heard a lot about good things about the rice sheet masks. This one is still from Germany when I lived in Europe. If you're from Germany, this is from DM, I believe, or Rosemont. I'm pretty sure this was DM. This one is also from Karim, and it's a koala bear shaped mask. And then my last one that I have so far is another Dollar Tree one. So those are the ones that I have right now. I try to do one at least twice a week. So, and I do have a lot of eye patches. I've been saving these for like a special occasion, which could be tonight. So it's Valentine's Day. And then these ones, I don't really like them, so I'm probably going to gift these away. They're good quality because they're from, Germany has really good quality items. So probably give that away. I'm just not much for the lip masks. Not my thing. Okay, so let's look at these. They're the superfood eye patches with collagen and hyaluronic acids from this company, which I cannot pronounce. So it's beautiful cased. I love the casing around it. And I'm gonna keep the box so that I can rebuy these when I need to. So, this is how they're packaged. So there's 2 a package maybe? I don't know, but they're cute. And then they have the information on the back. So this one is Cocoa Got This. This is the coconut one. This one is Hydration, so aloe vera. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh yeah, the peach one. Sorry, there's such a glare. Looks like soap. Well, then we have the green tea. There's a lot of stuff in here besides the masks. Oh, they even have, oh yeah, blueberries and this one's the collagen one. And then we have the business card, I guess. Your feedback. Okay, so I'll keep the card. And then it says Plan to Fuse Super Eye Patch User Manual. That's pretty cool. I mean, obviously it's self-explanatory, but I think it kind of shares the benefits of using the eye patches. And of course it has it in multiple languages. Does it have it in my language? It does. It has it in German and in English. If If you didn't know, I speak German and English fluently. So, green tea detoxifies and depuffs the skin. The peach one brightens tiredness, eyes. The collagen improves fine lines. I need my glasses. That's why I can't read. Moisturizes and nourishes is the coconut extract, and then aloe vera is hydrates instantly, and then blueberries is enhances the skin glow. That's it. Okay, let's open up these next, even though I don't have room now. I still think we should open this. I love how it's closed here, and this is this company, Vica or Vice Beauty Collagen. These are what they have on the back, which I will read to you. We have it's day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 days in this one. You have blueberry extract and hyaluronic acid ultra hydration is 1. Number 2 is the facial coconut mask with coca extract, which is number 2. Cacao, not coconut, cacao. Number 3 is facial sheet mask with Tibetan herbs extracted and multivitamin complex nourishment and recovery. Number 4 is facial sheet mask with olive extract and collagen active life. And then facial sheet mask with snail filtrate and ceramides wrinkle smoothing. And number 6 is facial sheet mask with fig extract and vitamin C radiation hydration. So this is what I've been excited for the most, because I got this from Karen. Well, it's cute. It says, it's time for perfect skin. Unbox your beauty with our revolutionary cosmetic solution. This packaging is gorgeous. That's cute. It says, thank you for your order. Karen, thank you again for this. I think this is just an empty box. Oh, I was wrong. Comes with a little crunchy. Oh my god, this is adorable. It's going straight into my mirror. How cute. Okay. These are gorgeous too. Look how beautiful the packaging is. That's gorgeous. And the benefits: tonic property, skin moisturizing, and revitalizing effect. You would think I can't read, but my brain's on dead. Wrinkle smooth skin elasticity and energy effects. Also 20 minutes. This is the cacao one. I'm gonna have to figure something out. And then we have the ultra hydrating blueberry. This is so exciting. There's the divider and then the others. Oh, this one. I really want to try the fig one for sure. I think that's amazing. Extract. This one is interesting. I really find this interesting. And then the snail one, it kind of is scaring me and grossing me out, but I'm totally going to try it. So this is amazing. I love, like I said, I have an obsession with face masks, and Karen clearly knew what she was doing. So I'm so happy with this, and it definitely has grown my face mask color. You guys that one already? And then the Pure Detoxing Clay Face Mask from Dollar Tree. I believe these are the last two that I had left from a gift set that I gave one of my friends. So yeah, that is my face mask tour and unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And this is what it looks like right now.